Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to discuss what is the console in JavaScript. So the JavaScript console is a panel that displays important messages like errors or warnings related to our JavaScript code. And this can be useful in development as much of the work that the computer does with our code is actually invisible to us by default. So if we need to debug or test our code, we can actually print it to the console directly and we can see these error warnings or any other messages that the console is notifying us of. One commonly used method that a developer uses is the console.log method. So we're basically asking for the console object, and the console object is the panel that I'll show you in a moment. And we're then appending or adding on a method called the log method. Then inside the log method, the two parentheses, whatever we pass into the parentheses, that will get logged to the console. So let's have a look. So if we open up Google Chrome and we right click anywhere on the page, you'll see there's an option for inspect. So if we click on inspect, this will open up the Chrome DevTools. And the Chrome DevTools is basically a set of tools that we can use in development. So the default tab is the Elements tab, and here it shows all the HTML elements that are currently displayed on the page. If we click on the Console tab, this is where we get access to our JavaScript, and we can write useful code inside the console. So as we were saying before, if we were to use the console.log method and insert a value into the parentheses, this value should get logged to the console. So if we pass in hello world and press enter, you can see that hello world gets logged to the console. We can also log other things such as numbers, and we can even do basic arithmetic. 3 plus 5. So you might be wondering, why would I ever need this? Like, what is the purpose of this? And that's fair enough. But you'll see later on down the track that the console is actually a very useful tool for us when we need to debug our JavaScript code.